Hi, this is Matthew again. Today is 16th of July 2019. Today we are going to be trading the digits over, digits under. These are the rules. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more upcoming strategy, and make sure you share the video among other traders. So these are the rules for this strategy. So this is the link to subscribe to the channel. All the information will be pasted in the video description on YouTube and across all money making platforms. So this is a link to sign up for a free broker account. For newbies who doesn't have account, you can sign up for a free broker account using this link to test the strategy on demo before you go live. So this is a link to our forum website for people who want to read written tutorials. So just visit www.naijacrux.com, check the binary options section there to read written tutorials. So let's get back to the trading. So this is what we are starting with, 25,171.55. So I've set the timer to 10 minutes, so I'm going to click on start. So we are going to open the volatility 50 index twice. I'm going to open it twice. Open it twice. So we're going to set this to digits. Then we're going to set this to digits over. Then we're going to set this to digits. Then we'll set it to digits under. So this will be digits over 0, and this will be digits under 1. So the first tick will be 3. Then the second tick will be 1. So our third tick will be 5. So then the fourth tick will be 1 as well. Then the fifth tick will be 3 as well. Then the sixth tick will be 5. So that's 3, 1, 5. We are going to be placing the trades one after the other, not at the same time. So we are going for the first trade. Remember, we are trading 6 times. So we are going to click on purchase and wait for the outcome. So as you can see, we want that first trade. Then we'll change this to 5. Then we'll move to the next, the second trade. And we'll click on purchase. So as you can see, we won the second trade, but the last digit is under 8. But due to the poor network connection, is not changing. So we'll change this. We'll change this to 5 already. So we click on purchase here. Then we'll wait for the outcome of this. Then we'll open another trade. So you can see we won the third trade. The last digit is 2, so we won the third trade. So we are going to open another trade for this one. So we place 3 trades and we have 3 more trades to go. So we change this to digits again. We change this to digits under 9. So remember our last trade, the tick was 5 ticks. So this trade will be 3 ticks. So the stake will be 100 again. So we'll click on purchase. Then this one will be 1 tick. So you can see we won the 4th trade. We are going for the 5th trade. We've already set it to 1 tick. So that's 3, 1, 5. 3, 1, 5. Then this one will be 5 ticks. So we'll click on purchase on this one. So you can see we won the 4th trade. We won the 4th trade. So we are going for the 5th trade, and this one will change this to 3 again. So we'll now come here to click on purchase on this one. That's 315. So we'll click on purchase on this one. So you can see we won the 5th trade. So we'll go back to this one again. We've already set the tick to 3. Then we'll click on purchase. That's going to be the last trade. So as you can see, we want all the 6 trades. So these are the rules again for people who don't understand it. We opened a new trade because of the slow internet connection on this one earlier. So what we did was, the first trade you open 2 trades. That's the volatility 50 index. So on your first trade, you set it to digits over 0, you set the tick to 3, then you click on purchase, then you go back to the second trade. Once you've set the digits to digits under, then you set the tick to 1, then you click on purchase. You go back to the first trade again, you set the digits to digits over, then you set the tick to 5, then you click on purchase. Then you go back again to this second trade, you set the digits to digits over 0, then you set the tick to 3, you click on purchase. So what I'm going to do right now is to copy this. So there's no need to copy it. Remember, after the first trade, you move to the second trade. After the second trade, you move to the first trade. Do not repeat this step on just one single trade. Make sure you are after this one. After the outcome of this one, you move to this one. So let's do the math and see what we made just in about 5 minutes. So we start with 25,253.55, 25,253.55. No, we start with 25,171.55, 25,171.55 as 25,171.55. So that's 25,234.55 minus 25,171.55. So we made $63 in about 5 minutes. So we'll repeat the step again after a few hours. Just repeat the step after 3 hours. You can do it 4 times in a day. So if you do this 4 times in a day, that means you'll make $252. So thanks for watching. Bye.